am Bill Blake at Veurink's RV Center, and today I'm introducing another new product for Veurink's. This is the East to West Della Terra. I love a lot of things about this. This is a 323 triple slide out, quad bunk in the back. Come on inside. Let's show you a few things what I love about it. I'm going to start in the back right here because this is really what it's all about. Huge bunk room for the kids. So you have opposing slide outs. You've got oversized bunks so the kids are not going to outrow them or anything like that. This one actually flips up right here for more floor storage if you want that during the day. You've got tons and tons of storage here for the kiddos. A place for an entertainment center. Just love this floor plan. Each side of the bunk will have USB ports. It has electrical outlets for charging. All right, we're gonna scroll back into the kitchen area now. Start with the dinette. Again, this is a oversized 48-inch dinette. Doors on each for storage there. You've got good sofa space right here. That makes into another bed. You got storage above that. Across from there, of course, you got the kitchen. I love what they do with these refrigerators. This is the biggest that I've found anyway. And they're using name brand Magic Chef, which is nice. You've got Magic Chef matching appliances up right here for the stove and the microwave. Going up in here, you got the kitchen area. 3 drawers for all the appliances there and the storage there. You've got an entertainment center conveniently located. All of them come with the Furion TV. And then of course, private room for mom and dad. Oversized king size bed in there for you. Storage on each side of the bed and above it. Guys, that's just a short clip of the East to West. There's so much more about this. There's so many options that I wasn't able to show you. Please come on down. Let's check it out together. Give us a call. We have them in stock.